all of you. My name is Bhairavi Sharma. I am nursing tutor in Index Nursing College. Today we will be discussion about arteriosclerosis and coronary heart disease. Arteriosclerosis, disease of the arteries characterized by thickening, loss of elasticity and calcification of arterial walls, resulting in decreased blood supply, particularly to the cerebrum and lower extremities. Often develops with aging, hypertension, diabetes, coronary heart disease. 7 million Americans affected caused by narrowing of the coronary arteries. Number 1 killer of men and women in US. Greater than 5 lakhs each year. Greater than 6 million Americans have some forms of coronary vascular disease including high BP, CAD, CSD, congestive heart failure, myocardial infarction, and others. Greater than 2,600 Americans die each day of coronary vascular disease. Example, death per 30 seconds. 299 billions cost of the US. Risk factor, high blood pressure, that's called as a hypertension, high blood cholesterol, smoking, obesity, physical inactivity, diabetes, stress. This is controllable. Risk factor, high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, smoking, obesity, physical inactivity, diabetes or stress. Risk factor uncontrollable. Gender, heredity, age. Major risk factor, the big three: hypertension, high cholesterol, cigarette smoking, and we should and lack of exercise. Hypertension, commonly called high blood pressure, systolic and diastolic measurement. Normal systolics 110 to 130 mmHg. Normal diastolic 70 to 90 mmHg. Symptoms of coronary heart disease: chest pain, angina, shortness of breath, heaviness, tightness, pain, burning, pressure or squeezing behind the breastbone or in the arms, neck or jaws. Pain may vary, perhaps no pain. Cause and consequence of coronary heart disease: lack of oxygen due to ischemia, lack of blood supply, narrowing of coronary arteries, heart response with angina, finally heart attack, myocardial infarction, local ischemia usually due to thrombus, clot or embolus, clot that has moved from another side and lodged in smaller vessels, possible permanent damage. Diagnosis of coronary heart disease. Electrocardiogram, stress test, nuclear scanning, coronary angiography, treatment of coronary heart disease, lifestyle changes, medication, surgery. Lifestyle changes, change of habits, low fat diet, lower weight, increase exercise, stop smoking, medication to treat CST, beta blockers, nitroglycerin and other nitrates, calcium channel blockers, aspirin, cholesterol lowering drugs, lovastatin, cholestyramine, cholestyramine, etc. Digitalis, ACE inhibitors, diuretics, surgery to treat CST, balloon angioplasty, atherectomy, laser angioplasty, stent insertion, coronary artery bypass operation, gender disparity. Coronary artery disease more common in men. Women have higher mortality rates. Older and sicker when first heart attack occurs. Less aggressively treated than men. Failure to recognize symptoms in timely fashion. Myocardial infarction in young, healthy women in rare occurrence, greater in those who use OC. Age 30 to 39, 2.7 into 40 to 44, 5.7, complicated by cigarette use. Effects of smoking for adults, males. Smoking has declined from 53% to 38%. For women, remains at 30%, has increased for younger and teenage women. Heavy smoker 20 to 30 cigarettes per day. Effects of smoking. Cigarettes contain about 2000 compounds. Main harmful are tar, nicotine and CO. Tar contains hydrocarbons and other carcinogenic substances. Nicotine causes release to epinephrine and norepinephrine, resulting in increased HR, BP, cardiac output, stroke, volume, contractility, oxygen consumption, and coronary blood flow. CO reduce oxygen carrying capacity of the blood can precipitate angina. Effects of smoking contributes to development of atherosclerosis, lower level of HDL causes deterioration of elasticity of vessels responsible for 20% of all deaths from heart disease. Female smokers have a higher risk than male smokers. Stress, socio-cultural mobility, socio-economic status incongruity, education level, anxiety and neurosis, life dissatisfaction, life changes, behavior pattern, sign of preclinical cardiovascular disease, left ventricular hypertrophy associated with increased CAD risk. Framingham study defined LVH EKG increase CAD risk threefold. Blood and tissue characteristics type 0 lower cholesterol, higher cholesterol contributes to higher rate of coronary artery disease. HDL, LDL, high density lipoproteins, low density lipoproteins ratio may be more important than cholesterol level. HDL, high density lipoproteins seem to have protective effects against development of atherosclerosis, a form or arteriosclerosis in which deposits of yellowish plaque containing cholesterol, lipids, substances and lipobases are formed within large and medium-sized arteries. Women have higher concentration than men. Most important of all lipid risk factors. Below 35 mg per dl at into incidence of CAD compared to those with 65 mg per dl. Moderate alcohol intake may have plus effect. Exercise has plus effects. Greater weight has a negative effects. Diet. Reduce saturated fats, increase polyunsaturated fats, higher protein to fat ratio, count calories, calories. Thank you.